Hi, everyone. It occurred to me the other day that maybe not all of you know how to save just certain slides in your slideshow and just turn those in. Maybe you are having some issues like, I turned in my slideshow and now I can't edit it. Well, here's a way for you to turn in just the slides that are needed to turn in, and that way you don't have to disturb your original slideshow. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is have your slideshow open. And then the next thing you want to do, you want to highlight the slides that you want to make, that we're going to make a copy of so you can turn in just those slides. So you hold down the control button and you click, and I'm going to turn in slides 2, 3, and 4. So now all three of those are highlighted, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to come up here to File. I'm going to click Make a Copy, and then I'm going to just click on Selected Slides. I've selected slides 2, 3, and 4 to make a copy of. Click. Now I am going to rename this. So slides 2, 3, and 4. And then just my name. You could put your name in the front. You could put your name. You don't have to put your name, because then you can put that in your capstone folder. I'm putting mine in math component because that's in my capstone teacher folder. So now that's where it is. And now I have a separate slideshow with just slides 2, 3, and 4. And now I can just turn in those 3 slides that are needed for the grading. You can do this with 5, 6, and 7, and then 8 and 9. You can do that, and that way keep your original slideshow with you intact, all that fun stuff, so you don't have to continually make copies of the entire slideshow. And that is how you make a copy of just certain slides so that you can turn in just those slides.